Alright guys, welcome. Today I'll be exposing the trading channel. Now with this video guys, I will be using a lot of examples from the IMAN Trading channel to help break down the trading channel. This channel has a ton of videos, a bunch of followers, but a lot of missing information that is critical to be basically a legit channel. But I'm going to give you guys my analysis going through it, and if you have any questions or comments during this live stream, let me know. I'll go through it, okay? Let's begin. So, first off, guys, let's watch Iman's first breakdown of how to spot a fraud or a fake guru.
Show me someone who claims to be profitable that sells something and has third-party audited broker statements or even just any broker statements over a year. Nobody would buy something from unprofitable traders, and that's why everyone you're thinking of hides their long-term broker statements. From the most obvious red flags to many tactics you're unaware of, this is how you detect a fake trading guru who sells something because they aren't making money from trading. These statements are the only way to prove profitability because
And this right here, it takes minutes for them to prove profitability. It takes so little just to show that you're a legit trader, and why it's so easy when breaking down this channel, why there's so many things wrong.
Other tactics can easily be faked or manipulated. You're not going to find this information from whoever you're currently wondering about, and you should now be wondering, what could possibly—
And understand, this is the first part of the video that breaks it down. We're going to go through a couple more clips to understand what we're dealing with, because this channel is not something easy that you can just gloss over, something that most people would do to say it's a legit channel or say it's a fake guru. You need a lot of things to look at.
be the reason that they don't show their true trading performance. This video could end right now because saying this just ruined almost every single trading influencer. The only thing funnier than a fake guru—
All right, now let's move to the second part, and this part is key. We got to go to the 7 minute and 23 seconds. And you'll understand exactly what I mean when it comes to this part right here. Give me a second, put this in my head. Because when it comes to his channel, he has so much content, so many videos, that it would take forever to break it down. But I found some commonalities when going through his channel. Let's go through a little bit right here. That's 7. I wish I could have like skip on right here. 7:23.
Traders don't buy things, influencers have to target beginners. Videos that make trading look easy get the most amount of views, which are almost always about technical analysis, indicators, candlestick patterns, support and resistance, and other strategies that mean nothing on their own. Many gurus—
Yes, a lot of these gurus do this intentionally, making the same type of videos over and over again, not showing live trading, just talking about the only strategy you need. So when we look at the strategy, or his strategies to be exact, and we look at his next response. So if you guys look at this, this is the first video he made about, IMAN Trading made about the trading channel. And the next one is his response. But the key points that you guys got to see that he fails to not show is what? Long-term broker statements and a live, and he removes this part. So the problem is, when you think it comes to a trader knowing what he's doing to say he's profitable, why is it that he hides the core part of his trading? It could be a $200 account. It could be a $1 account. It could be a $100 account. But we do know that this can be faked. And if he just logged into his trading account, we would see the long-term broker statements to prove that he's legit or not legit. But he does this intentionally. And we're going to go through why he does it intentionally. Okay, number 3. The main points is better. Okay. Let's go to the next part. Okay, a second. And this is a response to his response. When you go through to figure out what was happening, he doesn't go the most exposing. Is that when it comes to this video, a lot of this stuff can be manipulated because they don't show their actual broker statements or log in. Since he does that and doesn't show the real trading, we know that he's hiding it intentionally. He's been on YouTube for years. He could have live traded at any point in time, but he chooses not to. Let's go play this clip real quick.
Believe me, we're going to get into my honest trading coach in just a few minutes. Anyone who's used ChatGPT before would recognize how suspiciously similar this sentence structure is,
And now, if you watch Iman's one of his main points is the body. Why is it that so many of these fake gurus that have large channels have very similar comments, all being created to get people to entice people to buy or say they're a legit trader? I'm getting it on I've been getting it on a lot of the other channels, and I can see it, that these people are, one, doing it themselves, or someone is doing it for them. But it's a commonality that can't be just glossed over. Why is it that all these big channels have to have so many bots just to show that they're a legit channel or not? That's why when he was explaining that, it's interesting that he kind of glosses it over. Or the live trading. Well, let's move on to see one of the other big points about his channel. This is the trading channel sales. When you go through this website, you're like, okay, so we're going to see some legit trading. We're going to be like seeing something that I can, buy and actually be proven to work. But guess what? When we go through the sales, right, this is his verification. We can't see the balance, equity, highest profit. We don't know any of this. He says it's a live account for Orlando, but we don't even know the account size. It can be $10. It can be $1. We just don't know. And he does it intentionally to hide that, because most people who are new, who are beginner traders, are going to skip that over and not see the true point, what he's doing. He's going for sales. How do we know that? Look at his intention right here. Look at how many courses he has. Look at how many things he has to sell. And he all ended in a 7. Basic mastery course, $497. Trading psychology course, $997. Technical analysis mastery course, $997. Strategy mastery course, $1,497. We got back testing mastery, $497. Risk management, and it continues on and on. What do you think the intention is? He's covering so many topics for so many beginner traders. It's intentional that he's making beginner traders, making beginner videos just to get people to buy. We got a comment from Futures Bronze. What the hell is on your face? Making your voice muffled. Not very good. Cool mask. So if you guys don't like the mask, I can change up the voice. Is that better? But I wanted to test out my Halloween mask for you guys to see if you guys like it or not. If you guys don't like the voice, maybe I can change it over. But it should be pretty clear. I'm looking at the results right now. It seems clear on my side. But when you start going through this, guys, and you start comparing it to a free, because when you a free training, when it comes to IMAN, a lot of the stuff that he teaches is for free. Paying for trading without showing real results is a big problem and a massive red flag. So let's check out Baby Pips. Now, Baby Pips is a free site to learn crypto trading, to learn forex trading, to learn all different types of trading. They have courses, they have trading quizzes, they have a whole glossary. So when you're going through and you want to learn how to trade, I would recommend this before paying for a course. And we get another comment. Rudy, love the mask. Did you make it? No. I bought it for Halloween. It's a cyberpunk mask. So when you start going through this, guys, we know that this right here can be proven and tried out for free. When it comes to his own stuff, when it comes to all this stuff that he's selling, is it even live? A lot of these are just recorded videos, because when you go through, we don't see him trading live as a possibility. I went through this and I'm like, okay, see, it's all these strategies, all these things, but he doesn't show it live. Now let's break that down. So his live portion, kind of like how the humble trader is. He has 422 videos, massive trading channel. But with all the strategies, all the things that he's showing, none of it is being proven, tested live. Why would he create all these videos? One, to cover a large range of basically newer traders to click on. So when you go through his channel, you can start figuring out, like, if this was new to trading, this is the only patterns I would use. The only market strategy, structure trading video you'll ever need. Why pay for the course if this is all what you need? It's because he's creating these videos for newer people to buy into his program. He calls it a business, but I call it shady guru marketing. He does it intentionally because guess what? He possibly doesn't trade himself. He only does retrading videos like this on what? TA, technical analysis, I think, which anyone can do. It's very simple to create a trading video about technical analysis about a strategy that he hasn't even proven. That is the big part that's missing. So you go through the only trading strategy I would use if I had to start over, under 20 minutes. Okay? The only price action trading video you'll ever need. Pullback trading was hard until I discovered this one simple strategy. Do you see all these strategies start to amount that they're just clickbait? And he says he uses all these strategies in these videos. I use this strategy in my trading every day. Think about it. That's a very good point, Futures Brazario. When it comes to all these strategies, how can you trade them all? He doesn't. He just creates videos so people can click on them, and then when they click on them, they follow the funnel and they buy. That's why he has so many topics to cover, so many things to cover, so he can make his primary income is courses. Now, this right here is what the video I was talking about, the exposure video that IMAN did a wonderful job. So please check that out. I'll post it in the description box. When you start going through, look, 9 months ago, the only study guide you'll ever need, guide you need in 2024 to become a profitable trader. The only support and resistance trading strategy you will ever need in under 29 minutes. The same videos. It is video after video after video over their same topics. Why? It's because he is going for the YouTube AdSense and sales. This is an ingenious way. It's very smart because, once again, he doesn't have to show any proof. Like this, pro share trading 2023 trading results in my Forex stock and crypto. Just show it live. Why do we have to have this mysticism? We get another comment from Promise V. You should check out the IMAN Trading. He made a video on these type of guys. Yes, I've checked out a lot of his videos. I even talked to him in Instagram. So it's very interesting that when he talks about this stuff, it is very apparent that this guy has a complete strategy. Strategy is create a very clickbait title. Once create the clickbait title, make it for beginners. Once you make it for beginners, then create a video that's really long, so you get the long AdSense to make higher revenue from YouTube. Make sure you talk about, if you want the core details or you want to learn more, buy my course, not the live trading to prove it. Because we can tell from his 422 videos, not once did he go live. And if you go to Otis, out of 8 years ago, it's been 8 years. Has he proven any strategy to actually work and show it live with the P&L or long-term broker statements? No. That is the core point. So when you watch his videos talking about, I don't show lifestyle, I don't have a very flashy thing. So when we look at his social media over here, give me a second. I got his stuff over here. Wait a second. When you start going through his stuff over here, where's left 11? When you go through his social media, he's not showing a flashy lifestyle, but he's not showing any real detail, just technical analysis and the simple things that get beginner traders to buy. He has a lot of products to buy, and they all end in a 7. He has the same tactics without this, with a different marketing cue. Tailored for beginners, don't show lifestyle, but never prove a strategy and have multiple strategies that he claims to trade in every single video. It is like duplicate, rinse and repeat. Rinse and repeat every single video over and over and over again. So if we just close my eyes and just keep scrolling down, what will we see? Pretty much same thing as before. Watch. My technical analysis strategy for crypto trading for beginners. Okay? The only RSI indicator trading video you'll ever need for beginners. The ultimate crypto trading strategy. This doubled my Coinbase account in a month. He has so many strategies. Does anyone in the comments actually ask him, do you use those strategies? Well, I went through a ton of his videos to look for that same point. I didn't see it at all. I'm like, why is there so many strategies and not one person asking if you actually use that strategy? Which one's your favorite strategy? How do you confirm that the strategy works? Look, the only flag pattern video you'll ever need. This stuff right here is amazing for clickbait. It's amazing for YouTube. That's why he gets 188,000 views, and he just garners income from this. His channel makes a ton of income just from YouTube and also from the sales. But I think the sales are a lot larger in income. Because we start looking at this, start looking at what he covers. When you start YouTubing this stuff, and you start becoming like, if you're not the actual, you're the consumer, you'll be like this. The mastery course, the basics, master the basics. Well, it costs $497. Is there any videos to prove this stuff? Is there any evidence? There's none. And if there is, let me know. You're a subscriber, you're a follower of him, let me know if there's actual evidence. If you bought the course, why do you have to buy the course just to see if it works or not? Why can't he show it live to prove it over a 30-day time period? He won't, because that will collapse his sales. The sales is to create beginner videos and get people into the cycle. That's why if you start going through even more and more, it's the same thing. Technical analysis mastery course. Okay, so we got the mastery course. If we go to the beginning of his video, so go to his channel and just type in technical analysis. Let me see if we got that. Technical analysis. Look, technical analysis. 3 secrets that saved my life. Okay? Technical analysis was hard until I applied this one secret technique. Why would you buy the courses when he's essentially saying that this is all you need? Because he leaves out in core information that you can get for free, but hides it in basically his paywall. And that's why I think most likely he doesn't trade. And if he does trade, it's to keep the inconsistencies or people asking questions. So when you watch IMAN Trading, he brought up a very core point. When you refresh the page for his so-called trading thing, his trading P&L for it just changes. And I can show you that clip in the video, but you can just check that out. That's why when it came to researching this channel and reviewing it, I found it very interesting. It was the same material over and over again. I guarantee you, if you watch his next couple videos, it will be the same thing. If I was new to trading, this is the only candlestick pattern I would use. Why do you think he makes that stuff? Perfect way to sell. So let's go through the checklist, guys. And once again, guys, if you guys can hear me clearly, let me know. Let me go through the live. Give me a second. Here we go. So let's go through the thing. So the fake guru checklist, he doesn't do live trading. That's essential to proving if he's legit or not. No lifestyle, but heavily discounted products. Let's check it out. Does he have anything that discounts to help people buy? Now, I don't see too much of that, but we do have a lot of 7s. Why is it in 7? Because it's psychological. A lot of people have to sell the 7 to get people to buy. It's a marketing tactic. Because I think, once again, the majority of his sales are coming from YouTube. I'm sorry, not YouTube, from sales. Give me a second. There we go. So, do we have social proof? Does it end in a 7? No long-term broker statements? Ridiculous claims? I think they're ridiculous because he claims all these strategies work, but doesn't prove them. Now, we don't got any cards in trading on the days of the life, but it's like, when it comes to the small things, he doesn't have those. But when it comes to core things that we need as a trader to verify if he is a legit trader or not, they are absent. They're not there. Causing a lot of issues for people to, copy the strategy, but don't know if it even works. People say, oh, it can do the you can do a back test of it. Well, back test, it can be also biased. You can see if it works live when you do it on a demo account, which he can easily prove, but he chooses not to. So that's why, to me, I think he leans more as a fake guru, just creating courses and more content just to make his income. And that's the biggest point when it comes to him. And thank you, IMAN Trading, for creating those few videos just on his channel to use for my own video. But what are you guys' thoughts? You guys think he's legit or not? And if so, let me know. If you're a subscriber of his, let me know. Maybe I'm incorrect. But it's the same reason why the humble trader doesn't live trade. Because only experienced traders know. No, because you'll be proven incorrect. And that's the thing about this video, guys. Without that live evidence, a lot of these gurus will be lying and deceiving a lot of people. And I think that's what he's doing. Creating these strategies that we don't even know that work. So if you have any questions or comments, guys, please like, share, and subscribe. I'm going to hang out for a few more minutes and before I head to my Discord. If you like the mask, if you like anything else about the video, just let me know. Drop a comment. If you guys can barely hear me, let me know. It should be pretty clear because I'm looking at the audio right now. And yeah, give me a second, guys. And if you like the glasses, I got some other stuff to show you guys right here. See? Yeah, I'll try out the next glasses. Yeah, the trading channel, Rudy, I agree. I don't think it's legit at all. I think it's just a way for him to garner views and get people to buy. And basically, it's the same little formula, but minus the show off, the jewelry, the cars. If you do that and you stick to this rhythm, this style, he can get a lot of people to buy because they think he's legit. But hey, who is safe to watch for trading content? So I promise VI or 6. Check out the Discord. There's a whole group of legit traders that I think are legit. If you want to check them out, I'm not saying buy their course or their content, but you can check out their videos and they live trade and they have proven results, like a P&L and stuff. So which is important to me and should be important to you also. But many beginners don't understand that. They just like to buy into the lifestyle, kind of like the Juviar gyms. We got another comment from Thay Ma. Thanks, Andre. Can you please look at the Phantom Trading and mint FX next or soon? Well, I have a massive trading list. Trading gurus to look at. So I will put them on the list as I'm done with this video. I can't really see so much out of here. Like, I can see down here and like flat, but I can't see down. So I'll put that in the checklist once the video is done. And thank you guys for checking it out. I'll be heading to my Discord so we can talk live. If you like the helmet, let me know. Andre, but wait, why do you have ICT in legit trading? ICT is not legit. There's no way. Rudy, there's no way Andre is, I'm not Andre, ICT is legit. It's one of the biggest frauds, one of the largest channels out there. So maybe I incorrectly put it in there. If I did, I'll double check, but ICT is not legit. Okay, but thank you guys. Please like, share, and subscribe. I'm trying to hit 6,000 subscribers before the end of the month. We've got a little bit of ways to go. So please smash the like, subscribe, and share the video out. I'll see you guys in on Discord, okay? Wait, kidding, man. Oh, okay. I was like, what? There's no way. ICT means I can't trade. Alright, if you guys can hear me, I should be pretty clear. There's only like a little wall thing right here, blocking it. But I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace. Where's the end button? I can't even see. In stream. Yes, in stream.